Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to leonardo.ai and log into your account. Once you're inside, choose whether you want to work in the image or video workspace depending on what you're trying to create. If you want a character to stay consistent across multiple generations, you need to use a reference image. Next, locate the image guidance option next to the prompt box. Click it and select Image Reference. Then, upload a clear, well-lit image from your device or choose one from the community feed. Make sure the face and key features are visible and avoid blurry or heavily edited images. After that, write your prompt describing the scene, environment, pose, and style. Keep the character's core details consistent while changing only the surroundings or actions. This helps the model preserve identity while still generating variety. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Leonardo AI will combine your prompt and reference image to create a consistent character result. So that's basically how you can create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. That's it for this video. Thanks!